Good Tuesday, everyone, and bundle up. It's cold outside. This is GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, your source for weather information 24 hours a day for the northern mid-Atlantic region. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the video forecast discussion for this Tuesday, a cold one and a windy one too, with an Arctic front coming through November 12th, 2013. Cold front making its way now through the area this morning just before sunrise, and it hasn't really got onto Long Island yet, where temperatures are still in the upper 40s to around 50. Temperatures are already falling back quickly now through the upper 30s and lower 40s in northwestern New Jersey. We have temperatures now in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the Poconos, and we also have a few flurries, snow showers across northwestern New Jersey and northeastern Pennsylvania, especially at Mount Pocono and Avoca Scranton this morning as well. Some light snow here in Middlesex and Somerset counties, and also in parts of northwestern New Jersey too. We have some light snow falling this morning in parts of Sussex at the airport this morning, where the temperature is at 38 degrees. The winds are northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. The winds are increasing to 20 miles an hour in the northeastern New Jersey corridor. Temperatures are plunging today, and the winds are going to be strong with clearing skies, a partly sunny day, but it's going to be windy and cold, and already we have wind chill indices in the upper 20s this morning across the areas where the winds are already beginning to pick up. Watches, warnings, and advisories. We have freeze warnings for northeastern coastal New Jersey, all of New York City and Long Island until 10 a.m. on Wednesday morning. These freeze warnings mean that this is going to be the very last of whatever's growing outside. This morning we have also small craft advisories for New York Harbor, the lower Hudson Bay, and Long Island, the South Shore, and also the North Shore. The North Shore until 10 o'clock this evening, the South Shore until 6 a.m. on Wednesday morning, and for the New Jersey coastal waters until 6 p.m. during Wednesday, and also the Chesapeake Bay area until 6 p.m. on Wednesday morning. Surface analysis this morning from WeatherRowandOak.com and Digital Atmosphere Software shows the Arctic front climbing right on top of us this morning with strong northwesterly winds behind it and temperatures already falling. Temperatures this morning are falling into the upper 30s and lower 30s across the Poconos near freezing. Temperatures already in the upper 20s across many sections of upstate New York, western and central Pennsylvania as the cold front, the Arctic cold front comes through. Winds are going to be strong here. The isobars are very strongly packed this morning as high pressure begins to build in across the upper Midwest and gradually builds south and east in expansion across the region during the week. The next couple of days are going to be quite chilly with strong winds today, tonight, and tomorrow, making for wind chill indices well below freezing, so it's going to be necessary to bundle up. Here comes the cold front here across the area this morning on the visible satellite imagery. We can see quite well water vapor imagery showing the largest amount of water vapor and content just over the region this morning, and then less content to the north and west with very dry bone conditions across the Great Lakes that will be spreading in over the next couple of hours throughout this afternoon. Current radar also shows a smattering of light rain and snow showers across the Hudson Valley into Connecticut, northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania, and that is the leading edge of this Arctic cold air in place. Cloud and radar reflectivity from Penn State's eWall site from the NAM-WRF model. Here's our showers and light snow showers across the region. Going to be a little slick this morning as those temperatures fall, so do be careful on the roads this morning out there. And as the front moves through, and it's moving through now, skies will become partly to mostly sunny during the afternoon hours, but it's going to be brisk with a very strong northwesterly wind at 20 to 25 miles an hour at times. That's going to lead to wind chills well below freezing with temperatures hovering into the upper 30s and lower 40s across the region this afternoon. Generally clear skies tonight, and it's going to be a cold one. Temperatures falling back into the 20s across many interior sections with the wind still up. And the high pressure ridge across the region will continue to influence the weather right through Wednesday and Thursday, with a moderation in temperature gradually by Thursday and Friday, and we can already see some high level clouds getting into our west on Thursday afternoon. GFS model into motion. Here is our cold front across the region this morning. It's an Arctic cold front. Notice these heights here, 534 thicknesses at 500 millibars, which is 18,000 feet. It's a very cold air. It's a very strong and expansive area of high pressure across the central Midwest. Builds gradually south and east across the region during the next 24 hours, actually right through the entire week. And we can see this nicely with a gradual lifting of the cold air. The cold air pool will be with us for the next several days, and then eventually moderation will take place over the weekend with generally fair weather and moderating temperatures right into the weekend. Now, as the high pressure settles in off the northern, central, mid-Atlantic coast states, the winds will begin to back around from off the ocean, and moisture return in the Gulf of Mexico and also off the coast of Florida will help to increase the east-southeast flow by the weekend. And this is going to mean that as we approach the region during later Sunday and Monday, some disturbances will get involved here with moisture from off the ocean and also moisture lifting in from warmer air trying to ride in over the top over the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley. Clouds will increase and there is a chance of light precipitation beginning on Sunday into early Monday as this system here begins to pull off with a coastal system here off the mid-Atlantic coast states by early next week. And then high pressure again building in across the region. It's going to be a cold midweek period on Tuesday with the frontal passage, a very brief period of cold air moving in with an upper trough and some disturbances aloft in the atmosphere producing variable cloud cover and the chance for some light precipitation across the region. And then high pressure once again builds back into the forecast region for Wednesday and Thursday of next week with moderation in temperature. So do bundle up carefully over the next couple of days and remember to drive safely this morning. Some of those light rain and snow showers as temperatures are falling could make roads very slick with black ice. We'll be back bright and early on Wednesday morning for Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You make it a great day.